Now, we're getting breaking news at this hour. Sources say that the appointment of Nagendra Ramachandran Nayak, who has been waiting for over 4 years after his name was recommended for appointment as a High Court judge, now that is still pending. Now, this after the Supreme Court Collegium had recommended his case thrice, which is a rare occurrence in the appointment of a High Court judge. The Collegium, in its third reiteration, has found that the government is deliberately delaying this file. And with this, a standoff is expected between the judiciary and the government over appointing judges in the High Court. My colleague Sunil Prabhu now joining us for more details on this. Sunil, what's the reason for this delay in appointment and what's the Collegium saying?
Well, there is a standoff. There are file notings which clearly say there's a deep affiliation with the national political party at the state level. We're not taking names because we just don't want to get into that. And that's the reason for why they are being extremely stubborn on elevating Mr. Nagendra Nayak as a High Court judge in Karnataka. Having said that, there are also another 5 judges, 5 elevations that are pending in the Delhi High Court, Saurabh Kripal, John Satyan in the Madras High Court, and then subsequently in the Mumbai High Court and in the Calcutta High Court, totaling approximately 5 of them. That's the second reiteration where the Government of India has decided not to go ahead and accept it as of now. So it's in that backdrop. There's usually a 3-week stipulation that they must adhere to that reiteration. That's the timeline that Justice Krishna Kaul had given. But so far it hasn't been followed. We'll have to wait and see. But clearly a standoff between the judiciary and the government on the important issue of elevation of advocates as judges, which are still pending for a very, very long time.
Right, Sunil, as you mentioned, of course, that face-off over the crucial appointments of High Court judges. Sunil, thanks very much for joining us with those details.